Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another makeup challenge, not really a tutorial but kind of a tutorial at the same time. Today, as you can tell from the title, I am doing a cloud makeup challenge. I have seen various YouTubers and Instagrammers do this and I thought, I want to try that. That looks creative. So I thought I would jump on the bandwagon and do this challenge as well. Disclaimer, this will be a voiceover kind of video because I currently have the flu, so hopefully by the time I actually get to voice over this video I'm not going to be coughing and sounding horrendous. Hopefully it'll come out okay. So let's get into this. So to start off with concealer, I'm just going to prep the lid. And then I'm just going to go into the Zoeva Sweet Glamour palette and pick up a matte white shade just to set that concealer. And then going in with this pinky peach colour, I'm just going to put that into my crease, bring it into the brow just slightly as well, just buffing it all out. Going in with the Too Faced Peachy palette, I'm picking up the brightest pink shade in that palette. I'm doing the exact same, just buffing that into the crease. And then going into the Born to Run palette, picking up a matte purple shade. I am just going to pack that onto the lid, bringing it up to the crease. And then just buffing it out with whatever is left on that previous brush that we blended the pink out with. To carve out the clouds, you need a very small brush and some concealer and a lot of time, a lot of prayers, and don't breathe, basically. I'm just going to carve out my cloud shape, and like I said, just take your time and just move in very slow, small strokes. And you will, yeah. It's actually a lot easier than it looks, guys. It's actually a lot easier. Once I have carved out my cloud, I'm just going to go back into that white eyeshadow and just set all of the concealer clouds, as it were. And then for lashes, obviously. And now I'm going to go in with a white eyeliner from NYX. You can use any white eyeliner to draw out your stars. But the lashes that I'm using are two Demi Wisps from Ardell, just stuck together because I couldn't find any other dramatic lashes. Sorry. Moving on to the face, supposedly, and we are going to go in with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this moisturiser primer duo for my makeup. I just think it just makes my makeup look so good. So now we're going to go in with two foundations. We're going to go in with Fenty and we're going to go in with Laura Geller Filter First, I believe it's called. It's going to be a more of a matte, dewy kind of finish. So, also, very full coverage, FYI. Don't forget to blend down the neck. And now on to concealer. You know I'm going to be using my Shape Tape concealer, so there's probably no point me telling you this part. But we're just going to stick the concealer under the eyes, nose, forehead, chin, you know, dance along while we're doing it. Clearly listen to Shawn Mendes at that point. And just blend it out with my beauty sponge. Now using a setting powder from e.l.f., also using my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to set my under eyes because we don't want any creasing under there. No we don't. No we don't. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just going to go in with a Laura Geller face powder just to set the rest of my face and my neck. The Sweet Glamour blush and highlight palette, I'm picking up the two blushes and I'm just going to use it as my kind of blush contour situation for this look. And then picking up the two purple shades and that peachy shade from the eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to do the exact same. We're not really contouring, we're just 80s up in this bitch. And then for highlight, the Laura Geller Diamond Dust, cannot remember the name of it, Highlighter, it's blinding duochrome as well, and it's just amazing. For my eyeliner, we're going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Gel Highliner, and I'm just going to stick that in my waterline for an added pop of colour. Not that it's not colourful enough, but we're doing it anyway. And then going back into the Just Peachy palette and picking up that purple shade, I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line. And then going back into that lavender lilac shade, I'm just going to run that over the top as well, just to have a bit more of a blend, a gradient, an ombre look under there. Then mascara, and you don't watch it. And then moving on to Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Soft Swerve, and that's basically this look completed. Low key, it took me 3 attempts to get to this point. Shall we say, because I'm not one to like practice, I just sit down and do things, so this is a 3rd attempt situation, and I think it's really cute, really pink, fluffy clouds situation, cotton candy sky situation. So I kind of shook myself in my skill. If you did like this video though, click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with this face doing something, and a weekly vlog every Sunday. If there are any videos you would like to see me do, suggest them down below, or on my Twitter or Instagram, which are both linked down below as well. And I will see you in the next video doing something. Bye!